Yo! Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Have fun, relax, and get ready to study your indigenous language naturally. Oh yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello there. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. Nice seeing you again. This is lesson 2. We've done lesson 1. So if you are just new to this our YouTube channel, please, you need to go and play lesson 1. It's always good in life to start from beginning. Have lesson is a feeling lesson. So please, if you are new to us on this lesson 2, just quietly come out. Look for lesson 1. Start from there. And that we will both be able to understand ourselves very well. Like I said, if tó bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa nínú ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá nínú amóhùnmáwòrán tó ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, àkọ́kọ́ tí àkọ́kọ́ ṣe ó máa jẹ́ kí a lè gbọ́ra wa yé tá a ní èdè àìyedè sí nǹkan tí à ń kọ́ bí. So ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ lọ bá tẹ amóhùnmáwòrán tí alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹ wá ṣe wá padà wá sí ti ẹlẹ́kejì a lè gbọ́ra wa yé. So nísìn ní báyìí lénìí a máa kọ́ èdè tí à ń pè ní tá à ń pè ní alphabeti ní èdè Yorùbá. Òun la fi sọ pé ẹni tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní láti mọ̀ nípa bí wọ́n ṣe ń pe àwọn èdè bí wọ́n ṣe ń pe àwọn lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan ní èdè Yorùbá. Ó máa jẹ́ kí o lè mọ̀ bí o ṣe máa pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan tàbí sí ìkejì. So when you learn alphabet in any language, it helps you to be able to, spell the words that you're coming across. And when you're able to spell the word that you're coming across, then it helps you to be able to sound the word the way it should be sounded. So right now, today, we're going to be teaching ourselves how to sound letters. We'll be teaching ourselves how to sound letters. That's alphabet. And in Yoruba language, it's called alphabeti. So right here, èdè Yorùbá. Èdè Yorùbá. Rédò. Yorùbá. So eléyìí wà báyìí. Then alphabet. Then Yorùbá. Alphabeti. Today, alphabet. I'm sorry about the apologies. Alphabet. So that's what it is. Looking to Canada. So alphabet and alphabeti. Bí a ṣe ń pè ní èdè Yorùbá ni, that's the way we sound it in Yoruba. So now we're going to write out the way it is in English. So, as you can see, right here, we have English on this other part. That's the letters for English. And on this other part, we have Yoruba letters. Okay? So, we have English on this other part. And ni Yoruba letter. Ni Akpabi. We have English on this other side. Anyway, already I'm telling you how to speak Yoruba already. I'm already teaching you. We have English letters on this other part. That's alphabet. And Ani Yoruba letter. Ni Akpabi. Ani Yoruba letter. Ni Akpabi. Show you what. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. So eléyìí sìn ó ní pé bí wọ́n ṣe ń kọ lẹ́tà ti Yorùbá òun lẹ ti rí báyìí. Àti parí ẹ̀ o, a ṣe máa dé Z. We're still going to get to Z. So but we have to start our letter sound before we move on. When we finish with it, then we move on to the next topic. Tá bá ti parí ẹ̀ la máa tó lọ síwájú fún topic tí ó kù tó ti yé wá sí. So as it is, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. I don't need to be teaching us that, to be honest. What I need to focus on is Yoruba, how to sound Yoruba letters. Bí a ṣe máa pè Yoruba letter onílé. Now, àwa kọ báyìí sí. A, ẹ máa pè tí n bá ṣe ń pè. A, B, D, E, F, pé o. B, B, D, D, E, F. Ṣó ti yé wa bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ ká tún ṣe lẹ́lẹ́kejì. A, B, B, D, D, E, F. Ó yá, pé tí ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbọ́. Ó kárí ọmọ dáadáa. Ìwọ náà ti ń pè tí ẹ náà nìyẹn. So bí ó ṣe máa ṣe rí relé. Àwọn lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ó máa jẹ́ kí o lè pe àwọn lẹ́tà tó wà nínú èdè kọ̀ọ̀kan, ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ní Yorùbá, òun ni àwọn tá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú èyí. Bí ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe rí gbogbo èdè tó wà ní gbogbo àgbáyé nìyẹn. That is the way it has to be in every language all over the world. You need to first learn letters pronunciations. Then it helps you to sound the letter in between words. And thereafter, you need to sound the word. First is knowing the letters, knowing how to sound them. Then you sound the letters in between the word, and then you need to sound the word. And then you move on from there. It's a stage by stage. Same thing náà ní Yorùbá. Nínú èdè Yorùbá, o gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ mọ bí wọ́n ṣe máa pe àwọn lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá. So tó bá ti lè mọ bá ṣe ń pe lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan, á lè fún ẹ ní okun láti lè pe ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn á lè máa lò láti máa fi pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó gùn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So bí ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Eléyìí sì a tún máa ṣe lẹ́lẹ́kẹrin àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀. A, B, 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 D, 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 E, 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 Fi, Fi, Fi. Ó wá jẹ́ pé A, B, D, E, Fi. A, B, D, E, Fi. Kí mo ti sọ o? A, B, D, E, Fi. What did I say? Kí ni mo ti sọ? A, B, D, E, Fi. Tó bá jẹ́ ilé nìkan gan ló lẹ́ni ó ti ṣoríire. So ní lesson wa tó ń bọ̀, ní ẹ̀kọ́ wa tó ń bọ̀, èmi á fẹ́ kí o ṣe kí ni kó gbìyànjú láti mọ àwọn lẹ́tà kọ̀ọ̀kan tí a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fi pe àwọn ọ̀rọ̀. Tá bá parí pẹ̀lú lẹ́tà yìí láti A títí dé yìí, a ní lọ sí ẹ̀kọ́ kejì. A ní lọ sí ẹ̀kọ́ tuntun bọ̀. Kí n má sọ pé ẹ̀kọ́ kejì because ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ibi tá bá parí sí. So if we don't finish learning ABC as it is in English, then in Yoruba, we will not be able to move to the next video, I think next class rather. We will not be able to move to the next class. So we need to learn this very well. When we finish it up to letter Z in English, in Yoruba, it's going to be finishing. Let me hide that one. That's an assignment for you to know where Yoruba letters finishes. It's very, very sweet. By the time we finish with our letters, I will teach us the song, in Yoruba, the way we know song in English of ABC, So that we can be able to know how to sound it. It's very easy, as you can see. So jẹ́ ká tún lọ ẹlẹ́kejì again. A, B, D, E, Fi. Ṣó yé wa o? Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Ẹ ṣoríire. It will be well with you. And by the grace of God, you will do well. And you'll be happy in all your life. Happiness will always be yours. So, ní abala ilé, ó dá ìpé a máa fi kọ́ sí ibi báyìí. Àbí ká gbìyànjú láti lọ sí. Ẹ ká gbìyànjú láti lọ sí. Abala ìgbèdé kí ni mi fẹ́ kó máa pẹ́jù fún wa ni. Wọ́n sọ A, B, D, E, Fi, Ki, Gi, Gbi. Hi, E, Ji, Ki, Li. Àrí yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ dáadáa. A, B, D, E, Fi, Gi, Gbi. Hi, I, Ji, Ki, Li. Then in English, you have it A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, as we're saying, I'm sure you're enjoying it. Abi? Ondumae. You are enjoying it. Ondumae. Ondumae. You are enjoying it. So as it is, we were here before. A, B, D, E, Fi. Ilé wa jẹ́ Gi, Gbi. Hi, I, Ji, Li. Ṣó ti rí pé bá ṣe ń pè ó yàtọ̀ sí bí wọ́n ṣe ń pè ti English. As you can see here now, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Here is Gi, Bi, Gi, Bi, He. Did you see my mouth? Do your mouth like that too. See, I can see that you are laughing. E. You calm down. E. G. Ki. Li. In English, you sound this one as G, but we sound it here as G. You sound J. You sound here as J. You sound it here as G. So you can see that languages has their own unique way of sounding them. That's why some people, when they want to speak English and they do not have British accent, it's still Africanist accent. You understand? They will be sounding, English words in African way. African accent, rather. The only thing there is, he will sound the word, but not in your accent, because it's not British, and it doesn't have to be British. You see what I mean? So it doesn't have to be British or British, whatever you call it. It doesn't have to be British for you to understand him, as long as it is legible sound, then we understand each other. Okay? So right here is capitally a little bit different. It's different a little bit. So as it is, you see, that's where the difference you need to know. That's how it becomes easier for you to be able to sound that word in somebody else's language. If you call this one G here, G here, and it sound G here. This one is sound G here. It is sound J here. Can you see? This one is sound K here. And it is sound K here. It sound L here. It is sound Li here. So you can see the difference. So here we're going to be focusing on alphabet T Yoruba, not alphabet in English. But it's just that for you to know, the other side is like singular and plural. Singular and plural. So this is singular now. Here we see this place as plural. So, but nevertheless, as you can see, this is what we're going to be focusing on. This is Yoruba alphabet. Yoruba alphabet. Lápá òsì. Lápá ọ̀tún ni English alphabet. That's where you find so as it is now, it is A, B, D, E, F, G, B, H, I, J, K, L, G, B. What did I hear? What did I say you say? G. You? G. Don't say it is difficult. It is easy. That was the way we learn every other language, and then we're able to sound it eventually. It's just a matter of telling yourself that it is easy, you are ready to conform yourself with it, and you are interested, and you will sound it. That's why you are a human being. You super-headed all this. You are dominion. You dominate. So it sounds G. Then this one sound B. Say B. B. Not B. It's not B. Like you want to vomit. No. It is B. It's very sound. Like when you say B, it sounds big. Because Yoruba is powerful. Yoruba is powerful. It's very spiritual. Yoruba has supernatural power. This one. Quiet. G, ki, li. Again. Gi, bi. Hi, G, ki, li. Again. Gi, bi. I, G, ki, li. So, lórí ilé la máa fi sí. Ní jẹ́ kó pẹ́ jù báyìí lọ. So that kò ní máa di nǹkan mi. Lọ lẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí. Play video yìí again and again. Just play it again and again. When you play it again and again, you will be able to get it. Tó bá tán amóhùnmáwòrán yìí ní ìgbà gbogbo wàá lè mọ bí wọ́n ṣe máa pè àtúwápàdé ní next class. We'll meet at the next class. Thank you so much for listening to me today. My name remains Tunji, your Yoruba lesson teacher. Akọ́mọlédè Yoruba olùkọ́. Akọ́mọlédè Yoruba olùkọ́. Akọ́mọlédè Yoruba olùkọ́. Your Yoruba lesson teacher. Akọ́mọlédè Yoruba olùkọ́. Your Yoruba lesson teacher. Or olùkọ́ akọ́mọlédè. Tó bá yẹ pé yẹn máa wà easier fún ẹ láti pè. Olùkọ́ akọ́mọlédè. Teacher of Yoruba lesson. Teacher of Yoruba lesson. Olùkọ́ akọ́mọlédè Yoruba. So, we end it here. Thank you so much and God bless.
Thank you for watching. Please make sure you don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Oh yes, and just in case you forgot your notebook and pen, please remember to bring it next time in our next lesson. Please tune in. Thank you. Bye.